how to buy American Pepe token. So this token came under the symbol of APE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rules, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 days ago and increased by 900% in less than 4 hours, and also this token trending #1 in the Ethereum section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. It's by clicking here to copy the token address and open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Now first of all, log into your wallet. And after that, select the Ethereum as a network first. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet, and by pasting the token address in the search bar, as you can see, this is our token, and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token, as you can see here. After that, you find it, click on it. Now here click on swap and make sure to switch it from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy APE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.